Hello, welcome to Miss Whedon's Counseling Corner. I'm excited to start the 2020-2021 school year, even if it's from a distance. If you haven't already, check out my Crescent Counselor Google Classroom. Here you'll find anything you will need or might need to support the mental health and social emotional needs of the students. I will be teaching and recording all of our second step lessons and posting those so that you can access them through your teacher's Google Classroom. Also, I'll be teaching live classroom counseling lessons on Mondays through the Computer Lab special. So they'll get a live lesson from me, the counselor, every 3 weeks. The links for all these lessons will be available through my classroom or through the teacher's classroom. I will also this year be providing small skills groups as needed and individual counseling when requested by a student, the staff, parents. See the referral link in my classroom, Google Classroom page. Now I know this is a stressful time for everyone. I know. And kids are not immune to that stress. So I need you all to stay positive. We're going to make it through this. Find something fun to do, even if it's just going outside, riding your bike, or playing with your dogs. Take some deep breaths and smile. Sometimes it's just as simple as smiling. Put a smile on your face. You often feel a lot better. And here's just some advice that I've been thinking about lately. After the storm, there's always a rainbow. So if we can make it through this storm together, I promise you, the rainbow after this COVID storm is going to be the biggest, most beautiful rainbow in the history of all rainbows. So hold on, hold each other, and we'll get through all this together. If there's anything you need, I can be reached by phone, 770-229-3719. I'm at extension 3. Or you can reach me via email, wendy.whedon@gscs.org. I look forward to working with you all this year and having a wonderful year. Love you all and sending you virtual hugs and high fives.